Meet Caitlin, an entrepreneur with a knack for making the impossible possible. She's on a mission to debunk the myth that side hustles are destined for failure. They say over half the people who start a side hustle drop out, not because their ideas aren't worthy, but due to lack of marketing and dedication. So let's embark on a tested way to make your side hustle profitable using these tools. Number 1 tool is Zapier. Zapier is a popular cloud-based platform that connects various apps and services, allowing you to automate tasks without coding. Zapier is actively embracing AI and incorporating it into various aspects of its platform. Zapier is full of various things to do, so try not to get overwhelmed. You might want to understand Zapier basics. What is a Zap? A Zap is an automated workflow that connects 2 or more apps, following a simple if this, then that principle. Trigger, the event that starts the Zap. Action, what the Zap does after the trigger occurs. Now you understand you want to create a Zap. Sign up for Zapier. If you don't have an account, create one on the Zapier website. Start with a trigger. Click on Create a Zap. Choose the app that will trigger the Zap, e.g. Google Forms, Slack, etc. Select the trigger event, new form response, new message, etc. Connect your account to Zapier if needed. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Add an action. Click on Add a Step and choose the app you want to perform the action, Gmail, Google Sheets, etc. Select the action event, send an email, add a row, etc. Connect your account to Zapier if needed. Map the data from the trigger to the action. Use the form response data to populate an email. Test the action to ensure it's working correctly. You can also add more actions, optional. You can add multiple actions to your Zap if you need more things automated. Make sure to review and save. Review your Zap to ensure it's configured correctly. Then, give your Zap a name. Lastly, turn the Zap on to activate it. Test and make sure it is effectively working for your side hustle. If not, there are other apps out there that have their own perks. Number 2 tool is Airtable, a free workflow software that makes it simple to create a workflow from scratch with familiar spreadsheet layouts. To start, set up account. Access automations. Open your Airtable base and click Automations in the upper left corner. Create an automation. You can start with a template or create a custom automation from scratch. If starting from scratch, click Create a Custom Automation and rename it for clarity. Number 3 tool is Asana, which is a very easy-to-start user-friendly platform powered by artificial intelligence, helps streamline workflows and enhance productivity. 3 tips for automating project management workflows. Build your own custom rules. Try to use custom templates. Create a work request form, test and review. Number 4 tool is KissFlow. Easily helps build and automate workflows and reduce chaotic situations. KissFlow can be used for beginners and is super simple to get the hang of. It has AI automation that can help through many different situations. To use KissFlow, you'll first need to identify the process, design the workflow, create forms, define roles and permissions, and then deploy and monitor the workflow. First, understand task flows. Identify bottlenecks and pinpoint for improvement. Determine the process you want to automate. Understand roles, responsibilities, and task flows. Then design the workflow. Create process map. Visualize the steps, including tasks, decisions, and approvals. Document the order of steps, include reviews or approvals. Assign roles and responsibilities for each task in the workflow. Set deadlines for tasks to ensure timely completion. Number 5 tool is Zoho, AI workflow with over 60 apps. First, set up a Zoho account in the app. Go to your Zoho application, CRM, books, etc. Navigate to Settings, Automation, Workflow. Click New Workflow Rule or Add Workflow. Next, define the workflow rule by giving it a descriptive name. Add a brief description of the workflow's purpose. Select the module, Leads, Contacts, and Deals, where the workflow will be triggered. Check the box to activate the rule. Number 6 tool is Pipefy, a versatile workflow automation solution for teams looking for easy-to-use automation tools. Pipefy, although may not be as popular, it is a very powerful automation tool used by millions. It is easy for beginners to use to make very strong working automated workflow. To start, you need to define your workflow, establish boundaries, determine the start and end points of your workflow and what triggers the workflow, identify components, list all the steps or tasks involved in the workflow, including data entry, approvals, handoffs, and emails. Organize the sequence. Arrange the steps in a logical order, ensuring a smooth flow from beginning to end. Start by creating a new pipe. Design your process. Break it down into phases, representing distinct stages or steps. Each phase, add fields to capture information and ensure data standardization. Set up automations and choose the event that will trigger it. Specify the phase where event occurs. Choose the action you want to perform, such as sending an email, updating a field, or triggering another automation. Give the automation a name and save it. There are many more tools out there that can be used for workflow automation. Now that you know step by step how to use 6 of them, you will have an easier workflow process. Have patience setting up your workflow. It is a delicate process to ensure your side hustle and business works in the best profitable way. Choose the right tool. Consider your needs. Evaluate your specific workflow automation needs and the types of tasks you want to automate. Make sure the tool integrates with the applications and services you use daily. Think about ease of use. Choose a tool that is user-friendly and easy to learn, especially if you are not technical. Ensure the tool can scale with your growing business needs. Also check that it has robust security features to protect your data. There are key tasks that business use these workflows to automate. To optimize business operations, automate key tasks like invoicing, customer service, social media, pay, email marketing, reporting, and internal workflows to free up human resources and improve efficiency. Make sure to like, share, and comment videos you want to see next. Bye. See you next time.